Hello everyone, welcome back to Better Homes Designs, the channel dedicated to helping you build the home of your dreams. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today, we are diving into a movement that is reshaping the way we think about modern architecture and environmental stewardship. When we talk about a container home with a garden, we aren't just talking about a metal box sitting in a field. It is a holistic approach to living where repurposed shipping containers, industrial steel structures, are integrated seamlessly with intentional green spaces. This concept blends the hard, industrial aesthetic of the container with the soft, organic beauty of nature. Whether it's a rooftop vegetable patch, a vertical wall of succulents, or a sprawling wraparound deck filled with potted palms, these homes are designed to bridge the gap between indoor comfort and the great outdoors. The benefits of integrating a garden into your container home design go far beyond simple curb appeal. Firstly, plants provide natural insulation. A green roof or strategically placed trees can significantly reduce the heat absorbed by the steel walls during summer, lowering your cooling costs. Environmentally, these homes promote sustainability by repurposing shipping materials and supporting local biodiversity through thoughtful planting. Beyond the physical, there is a profound psychological benefit known as biophilic design. Living in close proximity to nature has been proven to reduce stress, improve air quality, and boost overall happiness. For those in urban environments, a container garden offers a private sanctuary and the opportunity to grow your own organic produce. Even on a small footprint, decorating the exterior of a container home requires a balance of texture and light to break up the flat surfaces of the steel. One of the most effective ways to make your home look good is to use contrasting materials like warm wood siding or composite decking to soften the industrial edges. Lighting is another crucial element. Use warm LED strip lights under the container's base or solar-powered lanterns along garden paths to create a magical evening ambience. Don't be afraid of bold paint colors. A deep matte black or a forest green can make the surrounding plants pop. Finally, focus on the transition zones. Adding large glass sliding doors that open directly onto a leveled garden terrace makes the home feel much larger and more high-end than its square footage suggests. When it comes to styles, container homes are incredibly versatile. The industrial Zen style is very popular, utilizing raw metal finishes paired with minimalist Japanese-inspired rock gardens and bamboo. If you prefer something more cozy, the rustic farmhouse style uses reclaimed wood accents and overflowing English-style flower beds to create a charming, lived-in feel. For the modern minimalist, a sleek contemporary style focuses on clean lines, monochromatic palettes, and architectural plants like agaves or tall grasses. The key is to choose a style that reflects your personality and works with your local climate, ensuring that your garden thrives and complements the unique structure of your home. Now for the moment you've been waiting for. Let's walk through the top 10 best container home with garden ideas and pull out the best design elements from each one. 1. The Indoor-Outdoor Glass Pavilion. This stunning design features large glass sliding doors that dissolve the boundary between the cozy interior and the expansive wooden deck. The use of a large, blue-glazed ceramic planter as a centerpiece adds a pop of color that complements the rustic, reclaimed wood furniture, making it the perfect spot for alfresco dining under the protection of a glass awning. 2. The Modernist Multi-Level Estate. Showcasing the power of stacking, this dark-toned container home utilizes its vertical height to create a massive second-floor terrace. The ground level is anchored by neat rows of orange-colored flowers and tropical greenery, while the upper deck offers a private, elevated vantage point to enjoy the surrounding forest. 3. The Elevated Sun-Drenched Studio. This clever design sits atop a wooden storage base, lifting the living space to catch more natural light. The bright yellow staircase provides a striking architectural contrast against the gray steel, while the surrounding paved courtyard is kept clean and minimalist, allowing the nearby trees to frame the home naturally. 4. The White Minimalist Ranch. A beautiful example of long and low design. This white container home stretches across the landscape. The simple gravel path and tufts of ornamental grasses give it a modern desert or coastal feel, proving that you don't need a massive forest to create a sophisticated garden aesthetic. 5. The Forest Dual-Wing Retreat. By connecting two containers with a central walkway, this home creates a natural courtyard in the middle. The rust-colored exterior blends perfectly with the autumn leaves of the surrounding woods, while the floor-to-ceiling windows ensure that the garden is visible from every single room in the house. 6. The Cantilevered Garden Terrace. This architectural marvel features a top container that overhangs the bottom, creating a shaded patio below. The highlight is the rooftop garden, a patch of lush green grass situated right on top of the lower level, providing a private lawn in the sky that is both functional and environmentally friendly. 7. The Noir Luxury Poolside Villa. This design proves that containers can be ultra-luxurious. Painted in a sophisticated charcoal gray, the home features a built-in balcony with glass railings and sits adjacent to a pristine swimming pool. The landscaping is manicured with low-maintenance shrubs, creating a high-end resort vibe. 8. The Artistic Blue Garden Shed. Compact and colorful, this deep blue container is a masterclass in small space gardening. It features a living roof covered in succulents and wildflowers, while the small front deck is accented by bright orange chairs and white planters, making it an ideal creative studio or guest house. 9. The Floating Forest Cube. This dark, moody container home is stacked to create a dramatic cantilever effect. The design uses a mix of vertical wood slats and black metal, surrounded by wild, unmown grasses and tall pines to give the impression that the house is floating within the natural forest ecosystem. 10. The Tropical Industrial Overhang. Featuring a bold cantilevered upper floor that provides a roof for the outdoor lounge below, this home is perfect for warm climates. A vertical living wall of thick green ferns covers one side of the structure, providing natural cooling and a stunning organic texture against the black metal frame. Building a container home is an adventure in creativity, but adding a garden is what truly makes it a home. As we've seen today, these structures offer a unique opportunity to live sustainably without sacrificing style. By blending industrial strength with the softness of nature, you can create a living space that is not only beautiful to look at, but also restorative for your soul. Whether you have a massive plot of land or just a small corner in the city, there is a container garden design that can work for you. If you found these ideas inspiring, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Better Homes Designs for more architectural inspiration every week. Which of these 10 designs was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. We love hearing about your dream home projects. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to our beginner's guide to container living. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.